So we've had this spot in our bathroom shower for a while now, and we've tried various things to get rid of this stain. Some things have worked better than others. Scrubbing brushes, those electronic scrubby things have helped a lot, but we're gonna try this Zep foaming bathroom cleaner and see if I can finally take care of this spot right here. So I'm gonna spray a healthy amount on first, and then use a magic eraser. See if I can scrub that out. Wow, it honestly looks like it's just disappearing before my eyes, and that's not me trying to be a salesman. That's literally me saying it worked. Like, I did not expect it to work that well, that fast, but I literally can't see that stain anymore. Now, that might be partially because it's a little wet now, and the stains do kind of disappear a little bit when they're wet. So I'm going to dry it off a little bit as well. Yeah, looks good to me. So I'm really impressed. I really, truly am impressed. If you have some stains around your shower or bathroom that have been not coming out, then yeah, check this stuff out because it worked for me. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.